Islamic self-treatments for phlegmatic cough. Right finger phlegm is produced by the body to trap toxins, waste and poisons. Right finger coughing is the body's self-defense mechanism to expel toxins, waste and poisons from the respiratory system and lungs. Right finger. If the detoxification mechanisms, phlegm and cough, of the body is compromised, the toxins, waste and poisons will remain in the body and cause organ damage. Right finger preventative is to eliminate the sources of toxins, waste and poisons through diet and lifestyle changes and regular detoxification. Small diamond * cust al-bari with honey combination. For infants aged below 2 years, 1/4 teaspoon of cust powder mixed with ½ teaspoon of honey as a paste, given twice daily. For children aged 2 to 8 years, ½ teaspoon of cust powder mixed with a teaspoon of honey as a paste, given twice daily. For children aged 8 to 15 years, teaspoon of cust powder mixed with a tablespoon of honey as a paste, given twice daily. For adults, tablespoon of cust powder mixed with a 1½ tablespoon of honey as a paste, given twice daily. Some herbs can be combined with cust to have better results, especially the expectorants like bamboo manna, etc. Small diamond ginger zanjabil. * Ginger is a natural decongestant and has been used to fight off throat and respiratory tract infections for ages. Also, the expectorant properties present in ginger ease congestion in the throat and chest to help you breathe easier. Ginger is an effective ingredient that dissolves the phlegm. Sour ginger dries the phlegm that prevails in the body. Medicine of the Prophet Pbh Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyya, page 408 of 653. Take ginger tea, can be prepared by boiling an inch of ginger in a glass of water. You can even add some honey. Small diamond black seed with honey will help as an expectorant for the phlegmatic congestion. Small diamond drinking hot lemon juice, a glass of hot water, a teaspoon of lemon juice and honey, and drink it like tea. Breathing the steam helps to open up the nasal passages. Drink the mix 3 to 4 times a day to loosen the congestion. The acidity of the lemon juice breaks up the mucus. The hot liquid will loosen the mucus in your throat and the honey will coat your throat and suppress the cough. Small diamond. Ibn al-Qayyim wrote, the crushed seeds can be steeped in boiling water for 10 minutes and drunk as a hot infusion for the treatment of viscous phlegm buildup in the chest and lungs, bronchitis, chest infections, by helping the patient cough it out. This decoction also benefits asthma sufferers, as does eating raw cress in general. Small diamond fenugreek and hab al-rashad as under dosage for an adult. Take a tablespoon each of ground fenugreek seeds and hab al-rashad seeds. Fry them in some olive oil at low heat. Immediately add honey and 7 pitted dates. Cook till you have a paste-type consistency. It should be eaten hot immediately at an empty stomach, after which drinking water should be avoided for at least 2 hours. We found that asthma patients had a big relief with this combination. Sucking hab al-rashad seeds, ½ teaspoon, like lozenges, strepsils, will also help to relieve asthma and chest congestion. #phlegmatic cough. #Allah SWT has granted the cure to some bitter remedies, and it is his own decision. So we have to be habitual for the bitter taste of Tibbi Nabawi herbs. *.